Hi, welcome to this short video on installing and getting started with your Velox Softphone app on Windows. First, you should receive a link to the installer from your company's Velox administrator. Clicking on the link opens your browser and downloads the Velox Windows installer in the background. When the download completes, click on the MSI file to open the installer. Click on Run to initiate the installation process. Follow through the installation wizard. And finish the installation. Once the installation completes, the app launches. You can then type in your username, which is the 4-digit extension number at your domain. This username and password is provided to you by your Velox administrator. The password is system generated by Velox, so you may want to tick or enable the Remember Password or Auto Login so you don't have to worry about this in the future. Click on Sign In to enter the app. Once done, you are now ready to make calls and to take calls on your Velox phone. To dial internally, simply key in the 4-digit extension number of your colleague and then press the green call button to initiate the call. The call status window then appears. So this time it's calling and then call established. On the top right corner of this call status screen, you can see the signal quality indicator. So right now it's green, indicating good signal. This can also be yellow for fair or red for poor signal, describing the speed and bandwidth of the internet connection with respect to the ongoing call. The icon right next to it on the left is the security indicator, showing that the call is encrypted and secured. The different options during a call are also visible. You can mute yourself, put the current call on hold, or transfer the call. Pressing the More button opens additional options like create a 3-way conference call or copy the number. Of course, the red End Call button is used to end the call. To call locally in Singapore, simply dial the 8-digit telephone number.
Welcome to Velox.
To call internationally, dial the country code followed by the area code and then the telephone number. There is no need for plus signs or leading zeros. Only dial the country code, the area code, and then the telephone number. So that's it for the basic use of the Velox Softphone app to get you started. If you have further questions or concerns, do check out the rest of the training videos and help articles on the Velox knowledge base. Otherwise, you may also contact the Velox administrator in your company. Thanks for watching.